The Dog and the Donkey, written by Leah Thompson, illustrated by Anne White. Once there was an old man who traveled with his donkey and his dog. One day he stopped on his way and rested under a tree. When the man was taking a nap, the donkey ran to the green field of fresh grass nearby. Meanwhile, the dog was so hungry, but his food was still on the donkey's back. The dog tried to wait for the owl to wake up. His stomach began to grow very louder, but his owl was still sleeping. The dog ran to the donkey's side and said, "Hey donkey, can you please lower your back so that I can reach food? I'm starving." The donkey ignored him and continued eating grass. The donkey raised his voice to beg again. This time the donkey looked up and replied, "Our owner will get up soon. Let's wait a bit longer." Could change the donkey's mind. The dog lay on the grass and waited. Suddenly from after came a wolf. As the hungry wolf got close, the donkey yelled, "This wolf will eat me alive. Dog, please wake our owner up." "Woof, woof, Honor, there's a wolf. Woof, woof." The dog emerged barked. The man rose up with a pain in his head. The wolf got scared and ran off. The donkey was amazed at what he did to the dog. He came closer to the owl and lowered his back. The owl understood and took out of the food. The dog jumped happily. Then they enjoyed lunch together. From then on, the donkey and the dog became best friends. They always helped each other on the trip with their owl.